Hi guys! Welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Today's vlog is I'm going to show you on how to assemble this rotating makeup organizer that I ordered from Niftyorganizer. So I made a separate video when I assembled the organizer but wala siyang proper introduction and ending. That's why I'm doing it now. So yeah, without further ado, here's the video. So it came with a box but ina-unbox ko na siya. And meron siyang bubble wrap, so kaya safe na safe. And meron din siyang rubber rings to stop the trays moving. And these are the 4 trays. This one is the top. So you can put all your lipstick in here or whatever you want to put on it. And this one is the bottom. This is a rotating bottom, guys. And these are the partitions. Now we can start assemble it. So the first step is you need to insert one of the 2 partitions into the base plate. Next is insert the other one into the base plate. Next is the top. Insert this into the partitions. Next is insert the 4 trays into the partition slots. Take note guys, this is adjustable layers. It can accommodate all different types of cosmetics, so you can change it according to your needs. The last step is use the rubber rings on each trays to stop moving. So, here it is. Tapos ko na siyang ma-assemble. Now, it's time to put my cosmetics. But before that, I want to show you the video before ako nagkaroon ng makeup organizer. So, this is my vanity mirror. And ito yung hitsura niya na wala pa akong makeup organizer, guys. O, diba? Spread na spread yung mga cosmetics ko. So, ito na siya, guys. Tapos ko na siyang ma-assemble. Mostly lahat ng makeup ko andyan. Pero, yung iba, hindi. Andito yung eyeshadow ko, mga pressed powder, mga blush on, andyan. At saka yung iba, merong kaunting gamit dito. Kasi ang dami kong makeup, guys, hindi na siya magkasya dito. Pero, at least, diba, mostly andito siya. And napaka-arrange na, as you can see naman. And the good thing is, rotating siya. Ayan. Mabilis ko na siyang mahanap. Hindi na ako mag-aaksaya ng oras sa kakahanap, guys. Like example, lipstick. Kasi ang dami kong lipstick dyan. At kung meron akong gusto na shade, at least ngayon madali ko na siyang mahanap, guys. Ayan. So, andyan na yun. Mostly na mga makeup ko, andyan na siya. So, nilagay ko na siya dyan, guys. Ina-arrange ko na siya. So, I move my perfumes over there. Hindi ko nilagay yung mga perfume dyan. Kasi ang dami kong perfume, guys. Hindi siya magkasya. So, nilagay ko lang siya dyan. Ayan, so diba, super arrange niya guys. And nakikita nyo yung difference na mas marami akong space ngayon compare before. So once again, I ordered this from Niftyorganizer and the price is $44.95 US. And it was free shipping and it was fast shipping as well. It only took like couple weeks. If you're interested to buy, I'm gonna put their website link in my description box so you can check it out. So before I end this video, I would like to shout out my team, Team Sabri! Shout out sa inyo mga lalabs! And shout out ako ni Pukalil Angel na nagpapa-shout out sa akin. Shout out sa iyo, Sisi Loves! So that's all my vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it helps. Remember to give me like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now!